Good morning. Just launched. 6:30 launch, 6:45 lines in, 2 o'clock lines out. Might have my coach myself at least for the first hour or so. Doesn't look like anybody else is going there. So yeah, we'll see. Hopefully my bite is still there. The bite that I found in practice could be good. All right, let's get over to our spot, get set up. All right, nobody else back here. Nice little chop on the water from a slight breeze, which is going to be good for my bite if it's still here. This could be good. Everything's coming up Flanagan. Lines in. Let's freaking do this. Going to be a lot of chesty footage today because my one of my GoPros is on the fritz and I didn't get it back in time, so I got the crappy Tacticam back there. So it'll be a little different today, mostly chesty footage. But that's all right because you won't hear me constantly going, GoPro turn on, GoPro start recording, and all that nonsense. There's, oh damn it. Oh crap. Okay, let's try the frog. I see some movement back there. Let's try the frog over top of this grass. Okay, it's all right. Got some other places to check. There we go. Come on, you stay on. It's not big. Oh my God, what am I doing? Not big, but I think he's 12. Barely. Nope, he's not even 12. Dang it. Okay, get out of here. Alright. Try something else. Try a wacky worm real quick since something touched me right in there. Yet. Way too slow for this early. It's okay, still year early, no need to panic. Oh, come on, there we go. That one feels pretty good. Come on. You stay on. That feels good. Yes. Okay. Not huge. Had a lot of grass on it. That's why it felt so big, but it's not bad. Okay. It's a start. Yeah, not nearly as big as it felt. That grass will trick you. Close your mouth, dude. Okay. That takes a little pressure off. A little. Not much, but a little. Alright. I had a frog blow up back here yesterday in practice, and I didn't set the hook on him. Saved him for today. That's not where I wanted to go. There we go. Oh, come on. Yeah, not a big one. I think it'll score though. Maybe not. Got him under the jaw. Weird. You gonna give me 12? Yep, barely. But we'll get you anyway. Okay, get out of here. Okay, one on a buzzbait, one on a Texas rig. Oh wow, okay. That's not gonna help. Doesn't feel big. Nope. Oh, come on. Where's the big ones? I don't think they'd see I'm gonna go. Nope. That one might score. Still not a big one though. It's not what we need. You guys need to get bigger. Okay, whatever. Oh, you stop it. Get out of here. Oh, let's drop shot real quick. See if there's any good smallies in here. Or a largemouth. I'll take a largemouth on a drop shot, obviously. There's something. Let's hope it's a little better than these 12s. Doesn't feel huge. Nope, it's not. Dang it. I don't know if he's 12, is he? He is. I guess we gotta get a picture of him. I am not one of those people that doesn't picture small fish. I've seen too many people get burnt by that. They think, oh, it's gonna take 75 or 80 to win. I'm not gonna measure the 12-inch fish. Then they come up one short, or lengths end up being a lot smaller than they expected, and that 12-inch or 13-inch would have helped them. I've just seen it happen too many times. I measure them all. Doesn't feel very good. Well, it might be a little bit better. Maybe. Oh, maybe it's better than I thought. Come on, let me get a look at you. Oh no, it's nothing. I mean, it's not nothing, but it's not what we're looking for. No, it's nothing. Yeah, you're not gonna make the team. Nope. I can't fish this slow this early. Alright, let's go check the sunny side. It's not as good over here as it's supposed to be. At least not yet. Still early though. Still early. No panic. Oh, come on. Nobody looking for you, dude. Yeah, I don't think it's a good one, but it might score. Yeah, I think it'll score, but it's not a good one. Oh, jeez. Another 12-incher. If that. If we're lucky, it's 12. No, it's barely 12. 12 and a half, maybe. Okay, whatever. Oh, jeez. Tiny, tiny limit. Smallest is, I'm not even sure. Yeah, he's not at 12. I believe my smallest is 12 and a quarter, so not going to take a whole lot to get an upgrade. Oh, come on. Well, since I'm kind of struggling, I mean, I got a limit, but I still feel like I'm struggling because it's a terrible limit. Maybe like 65, if that. Even though it wasn't doing much in practice, I'll just go back to my #1 confidence bait, big pumpkin jackhammer. See if that can do something for me. Make some magic happen. Gotta try something. Buzzbait bite is not what it was during practice. I mean, shouldn't say that. Buzzbait got almost all of them, but so buzzbait bite is still on, but it was getting bigger ones during practice. Oh, drop shot dinks. That's all the drop shot was getting today. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. Something's gotta change. Alright, it's 11 o'clock. I only got 3 hours left. I'm gonna go check one other spot real quick, just around the corner from here. Yeah, it's not good. Drop shot dink. Why have you forsaken me? Drop shot. Oh, I think that's another little guy. I think. Oh, maybe? No. He's not big, but then again, I got a couple 12 and a quarters, so I think he's gonna beat that, but let's check him anyway. No, he ain't gonna help. No way. Okay, this is dumb. Oh, dang it. Felt a little better, maybe. Oh, that might actually help a little bit. I didn't think it was gonna. Not much if it does. A little bit. Tiny. 1 inch maybe. Okay. Oh, stop it. Ah, you dick. Now let's get treble hooks out of the net. That's my favorite thing in the world. Seriously. Is that a bluegill on a buzzbait? Okay, that one's gonna help, I think. Oh no! How the hell did he get off? Oh crap. Oh, that sucks. mean, he wasn't huge, but he would have helped. Oh, that might actually help. Stay on. Yeah, that'll help. Oh, okay. You stop it, stop it, stop it. You must be a spotted bass. I'm guessing by the way you're freaking the f out. Okay. That's 2 inches. Or 1 3/4 maybe. Alright, got about 45 minutes left. Gonna finish it up in this little cove right by the launch because I actually got a couple there in practice. So since my main spot wasn't putting out what I was hoping for, might as well finish up here. See if there's anything left. I know a couple people fished it this morning, but well, let's just see if there's 1 or 2 good ones left. Well, that might actually help. Oh yeah, that will help. Oh, heck yeah. Okay, let's hurry up and get this mile. Let's get another one. Let's get another one after this. Nope. Stop it. Okay, get out of here. Two inches. Up to 68. Come on, let's get to 70. Oh no, 3 minutes. One more. Come on. One more. Oh, dang it. That's all she wrote. Alright, whoa. There comes the wind. Line's out. I think I finished with 68. Not too good, unless everybody else struggled, but I really doubt it. So let's load up, head to awards, and see where we finished. That was a rough one. I was expecting way better than that, but what are you gonna do? Still had a fun day. Good job, man. That thing is heavy. There you go, man. Congrats, brother. All right, that's a wrap. Didn't end up the way I wanted. Ended up in 15th place. The same old excuse everybody has. I found them during practice. They weren't there on tournament day. What are you going to do? I have no excuses. I had the place all to myself. That was my big worry, is that I was going to have too much company in that cove. But I had it to myself. The fish just weren't there. You know, I didn't beat up on them in practice. I only caught 1 or 2 on Thursday, left them alone on Friday. I don't know if anybody else beat up on them on Friday, but you know, what are you going to do? The buzzbait bite was still there. The size wasn't. Catching a bunch of 12 to 13 inches. So what are you going to do? It was a bummer, but big congrats to Paul Roth, Matt Arledge, and Ron Solberg for taking the top 3 and punching their tickets to the national championship. You guys are going to love it. I speak from experience. Steve Owens and the Bassmaster Kayak Series, they put on a great event. So have fun, boys. Wish I was joining you. And that's a wrap on the 2024 local season, at least. I probably do 1 or 2 more national events. We're going to do the Eco Big Bass 250 out at Lake of the Ozarks here in a couple weeks, and then possibly the Native No Limits down at Lake Fork in November. That's a maybe. We'll see. But yeah, not a bad season overall. For CKB, I ended up in 5th place in Angler of the Year, so not too bad. CKFC, I think I finished 8th, so top 10 in both clubs. I'll take it. Big thanks to my 2 sponsors for the season, Eco Fishing Shop and True Patriot Outfitters. Check them out. I'll put links in the descriptions. And yeah, that's a wrap for 2024, at least for the local tournament season. I'll still be making videos, going out fun fishing, even throughout the winter down at Pueblo with my winter rough riders, Matt Collins and Nick Wetherill. Maybe we'll recruit a few more people. So as always, keep checking back for new videos. And thanks again for watching. And until next time, get after them.